morning, YouTube. This is Suniti. After a long absence, I've been out of town. So this is an orchid I've had for some time. It has yellow flowers and it had produced keikis. So I just wanted to show you how the keikis are still growing with rather long roots. Look here, this keiki and this one. So maybe it's time to repot the keikis in their own individual pot. The mother plant looks all right. The roots are doing great. The leaves are healthy. And we'll probably get a spike in the spring. As you can see, this is an old spike on which, two spikes on which keikis have grown. So the next step would be to plant them in their own individual pots and see if they can survive. So it looks pretty healthy. It looks really actually lovely, growing leaves and everything. So that will be the next step. I'll let you know when I do that and show you what happens. Thanks for watching.